Hey everyone, welcome to Heaven's Harvest Homestead. Just a quick little update, quick little video on our hayfield. It's been cut, raked, and baled all in the last few days. This is what's remaining of the big bales. We have a local farmer that cuts it and bales it. He takes most of it, but because this year we're planning on getting some bigger livestock, we're keeping 300 smaller bales, like the square bales. Now we just don't have the equipment for the big ones. And there's Christian just dancing on a hay bale. And then this is what's left for us. So the farmer was nice enough to collect them all in wagons for us, so we don't have to collect them off the fields. And then, yeah, there's about 300 here. We're gonna put them all inside the sea can here, the container. Should all fit. I'm gonna leave the doors open so there's nice air for them. Smells amazing. Wish you guys can smell it. I'm just gonna put them on skids on top so that there's constant airflow. So that's that. We have a lot of work to do, and today's Canada Day, so happy Canada Day, everybody. Ready for work, Christian? Huh? Ready for a lot of work? Yeah. Say bye. Bye. Hard work, eh, guys? Sometimes the farm life isn't so great. Not all fun and games, eh, Christian?
Usually it is, but this stuff is serious.
Well, we're haying today, and it's Canada Day, so the kids wanted to show some patriotic. They wanted to show that they're patriotic today, so they went to go find the Canadian flag and wave it on top of the Canadian hay, Canadian grass. Hey guys, we're just taking a water break. We're almost done one wagon here. So out of this wagon, how many we got? About 150? Yeah. About 150 bales here. Almost there. And probably another 150 to go. So we're about halfway done. But it's a scorcher today, and we're really feeling it. But unfortunately we have to get this done, because if it rains, it's not good for the hay. So that's what it looks like so far inside the container. We're getting there. We're getting there. Say hi, Misha. All right, let's continue, guys.
What, already? That'll work.
And we're done, finally. 314 bales. All nicely sorted. Not all of them fit into our sea can, but it is what it is. We have to tarp them off, fill a few of them on the side here. But we're good. Should last us the season, the winter. Say bye, guys. Bye. Did you guys have fun? I guess, yeah, it's not very fun, very tiring. We're gonna go home and have some dinner now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day to all Canadians.
Take care, bye. And that's that.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.